This year, we are proud to bring you the 6th generation of our most popular AMR, the P800. Look at this beautiful new design. The P800 is just 195 millimeters high, the lowest profile AMR in the whole world. With this lower profile, we can squeeze out that additional bit of storage density and get you that bit more efficiency of your overall solution. We also managed to increase the speed by up to 15% for as much as 2.3 meters per second. Something that really matters if you're running a very large operation where you may have 1,000 meters from one end to the other end of your storage. The 5th generation of the P800 was already a workhorse that has been doing a fantastic job in warehouses all over the world. This year, with the 6th generation, we are adding new intelligent features that are detecting the center of gravity of the shelf on top and intelligently adjusting the driving parameters. We also managed to bump up the speed another 15% to 2.3 meters per second. And this year we have added even more intelligence to the robot with the capability to detect the center of gravity and intelligently adjust the driving parameters to ensure stability while operating at maximum efficiency. Have a look at this beautiful new design from Geek Plus.